We just were somewhere checking out those, but here's these and those. And then those over there, which we'll get to. To a new track load machine. I'm gonna take a picture of this one and that's what this is used for. Oh, John Deere wheel loader right there.
Welcome everyone.
I have to know, but I can edit it, it's fine. We're gonna distract me. And see like it's a disc or something. Actually, I think that is a disc.
Our campus is now set.
Still gonna finish editing the other episode.
Shut up, girl. Let me have that meeting real quick. You get be on the way.
This way is me. I was looking through it.
Well, I couldn't see you.
Can you see now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go show the other. Over the way. Other pieces of equipment. But here's the studio. We were up close before. So this is kind of cool. But here's the wheel loader. That concludes our little equipment tour at the 2025 fair. Guys, this is the last of the equipment to show you like a, I don't know what this is. It's a combine, but I don't know what the brand is. And this big tractor. Can't even see there's one over there. Somebody's over here. Here's a combine. Actually, it's not a combine, it's hay baler. Tractor probably got 25 horsepower. At least. It is a Mahindra. There's this tractor. There's this one. Mahindra. Photo. They're my three favorite brands of equipment. And John Deere. And then this massive, and I mean, look at that. Huge. It includes the 2025 equipment tour at the local Keith County Fair.